Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Porsche 911. Begin by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle for the car's base. This initial shape will guide your proportions, ensuring the vehicle looks balanced. Next, mark the approximate positions for the wheels, keeping them relatively close to the front and rear edges. This establishes the wheelbase, a crucial element for the 911's iconic stance. Remember, light lines are key at this stage, as we'll refine them later. Now let's refine the body's contours. The Porsche 911 is known for its smooth, flowing lines. Gently curve the roofline, ensuring it tapers gracefully towards the rear. Next, draw the pronounced, circular wheel arches, which are a hallmark of this classic sports car. These arches should encompass about 1/3 of the wheel's diameter. Then, sketch the side windows and door lines, paying attention to their subtle angles and how they integrate with the overall body shape. With the main body established, it's time for the details that bring the 911 to life. Start with the instantly recognizable round headlights, positioning them high on the front fenders. Then, define the front and rear bumpers, noting their sleek, integrated design. Don't forget the subtle air intakes, often found below the headlights and on the rear fenders, which contribute to the car's aerodynamic profile. These elements, though small, are essential for capturing the true essence of the Porsche. For our final slide, let's add the finishing touches. Include small but important details like the side mirrors, door handles, and the iconic Porsche badge on the hood. Once these are in place, begin applying shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Think about where light would hit the car, creating shadows under the bumpers and along the body lines. Use highlights to emphasize the sleek curves, making your Porsche 911 truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.